Today is March 31st, 2024, and we boarding Discovery Princess again. And now we go to check out the deluxe balcony. That's our room for 3 days on the ship. Here we come, 621. That's our room right here. Oh, they not make up yet. They not make up the bed yet. And here is our balcony. Okay. We got two small chairs and the view of Los Angeles Port. Ooh, look it down. That's a rescue boat. That's San Thomas brick. It look alike with the Golden Gate brick in San Francisco, but it's smaller. But it's smaller. That's all. And look like our room. They're not finished. Make it yet. Small, very small shower. It is like mini size, anything. This one I don't know. Oh, what kind of boat is it? I don't know. It look like a tanker for oil or what? Oh, what kind of boat is it? Oh, they have a brand. They have a rank on the boat, so maybe that they not call the boat xà lan tiếng Việt Nam là xà lan, thì tiếng Anh là gì ta? Brand, it's a brand on that boat, but I don't know what the specific name for this. Okay, so the oil tanker, they just delivery fuel for the Discovery Princess. I don't know, but kind of like take a long time for delivery fuel to the Discovery Princess Pro. You see over there is Catalina Express. They go to the Catalina Island out there. Away party. Okay. Waiting for. It's almost time, but it's past the time of away party already. It's past 4 minutes already, but nothing, no party. Because it's windy and it's rain. So now, as you see, and the people waiting, a lot of people waiting, rounding up here. Waiting for the party, but it looks like no party, no sail away party. That's my boy. That's my boy. Eating. because it's storm and rainy outside, so they changed the Sound Away party to a piranha on that side, indoor party.
Oh, you're so delicious. You're crazy delicious. Sing it out. Talk to me, girl. Talk to me, baby. I'm going out with this. This is right now. Oh, let's go tomorrow. Go crazy, crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Keep on hoping we can take mommy ocean. Oh, me, baby. I've been getting you. And I only want that's what's in my mind. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Oh, yeah. You wanna control, show me where I put on the show. I will make it, you say I don't care. My ego is bad, I don't give up. There you go, what I did. Everybody told me not wrong. If you tell them I'm not sure, you got the move like that. I got the move like that. I got the move like that. I don't mean to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I own you. Got the moves like that. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that. It's hard to feel like broken is good. Nothing feels right the way you're with me. I'll make you believe that I got the key. So get in the car. We can go riding wherever you want. Get excited and you want to be. But I'm shifting gears. I'll take it from here. And go like this. Take me by the tongue and I'm so talking. Let me take it from me now, sure. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that. I don't mean to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I own you. Got the moves like that. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that. You won't know how to take this far. Take control on this for the night. I share a secret. You're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this. So much love, I wanna show you signs. Have to talk on when you run me right. I share a secret. You're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this. Look into my eyes and I own you. The moves like that. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that.
Finally, the fuel tank is leaving after loading the 30 ton of diesel in recovery region. So we behind the schedule 2 hours already. But finally they done. They loading the fuel for the cruise ship. 30 ton of diesel. They stay on the viewpoint. They waiting. They don't know. They don't know how long the ship moving. And finally, it delayed 3 hours already. 3 hours, not 2 hours. Now it's 6 p.m. 6 p.m. in California. They're supposed to leaving at 3 p.m. But now it's 6 p.m. Finally, the ship is moving. Finally, the ship is moving. The siren just sound. But when I turn on the video, it's a little bit low, so we don't hear the siren. But the ship is moving now. Okay, we leaving LA port right now, San Pedro. The city name is San Pedro, and it's 6:24, 6:24, and like you see, a lot of people they get out of the balcony, the balcony to filming, the the one in a lifetime. They see the cruise ship move out of the port. Maybe, but not one in a time, but maybe first time in the life, first time in the life. And the sun, 6:25, but the sun so bright, so on the west side, so yeah. Check out in the morning. One more ship right here, Norwegian. The ship name Norwegian Bliss, but that ship left already. They right here, next to the Navy ship. But but this Navy ship is retired already. Because this port is not the naval, it's not naval port. So this ship, I'm sure, is retired already. It's not in the Navy anymore. Oh, so the ship is moving a little bit faster, and as you see, on the balcony, people they go out for filming. They go out to watch the time, the the ship start moving out of the port, and we to open sea, open wide sea. This Navy ship is completely retired. If it's still working, it must be in naval base. It's not in here in commercial port, with all the cruise ship, on the fishing boat. No, so it must be retired already. Yeah. Are you see on the video the light right here, that the ship speaking up the speed, so it makes the current go like that. When the current the sea go like that. Then on this is rescue boat. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess 9 rescue boats for each side. Yeah, on the right side and on the left side. Oh, the sun is getting down. So, oh, here we have some travel boats. Classic. Bao nhiêu người ra ngắm hai mẹ con ở trong đây coi tivi. Không, bao nhiêu người ra ngắm ở ngoài đây. Okay, that for the ship just depart from the LA port, city San Pedro, and of course see you in the next clip. Okay, so oh, that's the Coast Guard. That is Coast Guard in rescue emergency boat going to rescue some people. Oh, we now nearly to wide open sea, and we seen the Coast Guard with an emergency line trying. I don't know, trying to rescue some people, someone or some boats. They're going out. Oh, another one? Really? No, that one. That one, not this. Not this. I think the rescue boats from the Coast Guard, they just plastic. They just plastic. They're not on the real mission. They on training purpose. They are training purpose. So they slow down, almost stop over there. Oh. So, thankfully nobody hurt. Nobody need to rescue.